What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have an unboxing that we've never done previously. Thing is, though, is they're not necessarily new to the market tools. Some people say that over time, companies will cheapen their products. So we figured we'd unbox these M12 FUEL Generation 2 combination kit and see, has anything changed over the course of a year? This is Milwaukee's M12 FUEL, driven to outperform. This is product number 2589-22. It's their two-tool combo kit. It's come with the hammer drill and the impact driver. It has 4-mode control, the impact driver. It also is coming with a 4-amp-hour Exceed battery as well as a 2.0 compact battery. Good thing is right now, if you haven't been paying attention or if you're not a super shopper like a lot of people on our channel are, you might not know that this kit retails for about $229 at the big box store. And you can also find them online at stores like Acme Tool and Ohio Power Tool. The good part is, at that price of $229, you're getting awesome contractor grade tools, okay? And they're throwing in an additional 2-pack of 1.5 amp compact batteries just to sweeten the deal. It's the most capable. It says power to perform a wide range of applications. So they have their other 12-volt competitors in gray with a 3/8-inch chuck. The Milwaukee comes with a 1/2-inch chuck. It's got up to 20% faster speeds. It's the most compact. Tool belt portable, less fatigue. So the competitor, it's pretty funny if you look at the shape of the competitor, you might have an idea of who it is. But it's got the usual brushless power state motor. It's got Red Link Plus intelligence. It's got the red lithium batteries. It's got everything you're used to getting from Milwaukee. We wanted to see if anything has changed. I will say the one thing I do know that's changed since I bought my previous kit and my Gen 1 fuels is this kit comes in a bag. Mine came in a hard case. Just saying. The stitching on the handles is nice. It is a single bar tack. It looks a single tack. It does have a rivet as well. Out of the bag, we have the instruction manuals. In every fuel kit, you have a chance to enter to win some tools. So just keep that in mind. First out of the bag is the M12 Charger. This is not a dual voltage charger. If you're buying an M18 kit, you're gonna get a dual voltage charger that does the 18-volt batteries and the 12-volt batteries. So if you have an opportunity, you're not on the M12 platform just yet, you don't wanna buy a combo kit, and you wanted to get a bare tool that came with a free battery, you might already have the charger to get the job done. Just saying. Second out of the bag is the compact 2.0 battery. Then we have the 4-amp-hour battery. Got some good tape on these bags, I'll tell you that much. The battery itself it's pretty beefy. It's a nice size. I mean, it's everything that a 4-amp-hour battery should be from Milwaukee. I mean, I don't know what more to say. I will say, though, I do like that it has some rubber cushioning on the bottom of the battery. Okay, if you're dropping the battery with its tool, it could help to absorb some of the blow. I will say this, one of my favorite things about the M12 platform and when I adopted it years and years ago was that the batteries were not a flat bottom battery. I always liked that my M12 tools didn't have that flat bottom battery because when you're working kitchens and in carpentry, people will put their tools down. For instance, with this flat bottom battery, they will put their tool down on top of a granite, quartz, some type of hard surface countertop, And the next thing you know, you have your drill bit or your driver bit on the, popping out of the tool, right? Coming out of the tool. And then like something happens, you turn around, boom, you knock the drill over. One of the features that I liked about the smaller battery was, it didn't make sense to stand your tool up like that. I mean, like literally common sense would say, okay, I'm gonna set my drill down. That way, you're less likely to have an accident that's gonna cost you thousands of dollars. More importantly, time to get things replaced or fixed or patched, okay? So I really like that feature. You can see, we still have our metal chuck. You can see the fuel tool. This is their hammer drill, M12. This is a compact tool. It has the single selector ring for your clutch settings, your drill settings, and your hammer drill settings. This is a hammer drill, very compact. It's a 2-speed drill as well. The belt clip's already installed, feels good in the hand, and quite frankly, it doesn't feel like they've reduced quality of the tool. The hammer drill driver with its 4 amp hour battery, you're looking at 3 pounds, 3.9 ounces. With the compact 2.0 battery, tool weighs in at 2 pounds, 12 ounces even. Bare tool weighs in at 2 pounds, 5.6 ounces. If you're looking for the most compact package, you would go with the 2.0. They also have now a compact 3.0 battery. So that's something to keep in mind. Front to back, we're looking at 6.67 inches. Tool height, you're looking at 7.70 inches. At its widest point, the pads here, you're looking at 2.25 inches, so 2.25 inches. Next out of the bag, we have the Gen 2 impact driver. This is a 4-setting impact driver. We have speed setting 1, 2, and 3. Then we have the screw driving setting or fastening setting that will limit torque once you've fastened your screws. Pretty cool stuff. Tool length from the back of the tool to the collet, you're looking at 5.17 inches. Tool width at the pads is 2.18 inches. And tool height, you're looking at 7.93 inches. Your width, it's 2 amp hour battery. You're looking at 2 pounds, 2.7 ounces. Tool only, you're looking at 1 pound, 12.3 ounces. Okay, you can see my finger still on the trigger, but it keeps it from stripping out self-tappers. Pretty cool feature. Pretty cool. Trying to do it. So you'll see how it works with normal, like something like drywall screws. And we'll shut the tool off because it's meeting resistance. It's supposed to do that. But you'll see in speed 3, no problem sinking that drywall screw. Boom. If you need more driving power, you could always throw that 4 amp hour battery on there. Because of the red link and red lithium technology, it should deliver more power to the tool. And if you like technology that drives more power to the tool, then smash the like button. Also, if this is your first time here and you're not already, get subscribed. Why do you want to get subscribed and tap the bell and allow all notifications? Because we do videos like this all the time where we unbox tools and talk about promotional items. Sometimes promotions and tool deals only last a matter of minutes. People have saved thousands of dollars on our emergency tool deal videos. Never spend thousands of dollars when you can spend hundreds. Tap the bell, get notified. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. This thing sure is compact. We'll see you all on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.